Yeah, we're loading them up right now. We'll be up in just about another 2 minutes or less.
Okay, good copy. I can see a pretty big area, maybe grassy, next to the road where he's at.
Okay, good. Yeah, because I was going to say it's a whole lot of trees down here.
Yeah, he just passed it right now. He's continuing southwest.
Alright, I'll give him a brief real quick.
Okay.
And,
They got headsets?
No, they don't. I'd scream it at them.
Okay.
So, I told him not to get off the aircraft, but I told him.
When you get airborne, I will give you a laser. Maybe you can do a recon where he's at, actually.
Okay.
What has he got?
They still got the guy in there. He says they got a field that we could drop us off at.
Alright.
Are they ready?
Yeah, everybody secured, ready to go?
And you're light?
Shit.
Yeah, no biggie. There.
Alright.
Alright, coming up.
Going up. There you go. Find the head unit.
Talk to me. Which way do I turn? Do you see me?
No, negative. I'll give you numbers right now.
Hey, send your laser down.
Hey, from the field we landed at, was he northwest, southeast, or what?
They're not gonna come off the target.
If you picked up the agents, you probably picked them up on the one northwest side, so they should be southeast lasers on.
Oh.
Okay, southeast, hang on. Do you see it?
The laser?
Yeah.
No. Hey, Vic, you got the laser down on it?
Yeah, lasers on.
Dead in front of us?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure because I can't see it streaming.
Hey, is it flickering or is it solid?
Solid.
Okay, I think it's straight in front of me. We're headed southeast right now.
Good copy. He's on the road.
F-13, green arrow, middle lane.
He said he's on the road.
Six wing Omaha, Foxtrot 53, copy.
Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
That's not moving.
10-4, sir, can you, as soon as it's possible to do so without losing sight of the suspect, can you update us with numbers for where he left the vehicle so we can recover that for the case?
Yeah, your blue line?
No, it's still by.
Yeah.
There you go.
No, if I do it, I'll lose it.
Yeah, I think that's a light. I think
Alright,
that's...
10-4, as soon as the other Omaha unit takes over, then I guess, if you don't mind.
that's not
We
good.
kind of need it.
What's that right there to the left? Right there,
Yeah,
straight left, straight left.
That's it.
All right. All right, I should be southwest of it by about 1 mile. Put the light back on.
Okay, stop by.
Okay, we got the light, and I see the road, and I see the bend in the road. I'm most likely going to land on that bend.
We'll keep watching.
Hey, should I? Okay, I'm going to land on that road. Hang on, shit.
Yeah, we're completely inhibited.
Yeah,
We're too low on it.
no, I can land on that road.
I got you inside. He's on to your right hand side.
Roger, I got it. I'm going to land on that corner of that road. Coming back to that road right here.
Be careful.
Are you sure? You don't want to land over here?
Hey, was he running north, south, east, or west in that tree line?
He's hunkered down right now.
Okay. I'm going to land on the road.
It's a square!
Good copy.
Yeah, they can keep your laser on.
Tempo. 8 times alpha after 10 seconds it turns off.
Current coordinates are going to be 26.92194, 92194 over 98.30
has a little slight. No, it's not. Okay, it's completely flat. Mr. Brown.
10-4, 6-5, just FYI, give us a course, give us a quick head up to the main.
That was close. Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, we're okay.
Let me get these guys off.
Yep.
I'll be off. I'll be back on in a minute.
All right.
Fuck. I don't think we're gonna be able to come up.
Let me know when you have the subject in sight so we can go back for the vehicle.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, man, almost browned out big time on that.
10-4. I bet you gave you a flashback from Afghanistan.
Yeah, dude.